Quick review on this shower head. It is advertised as a one-handed operation. It has the filtering element right in the handle. It has an on and off button and 3 types of spray, all one-handed, and it is in the off position right now. And it creates very nice pressure. Currently it has the rainfall spray. One click and it switches to the combination of massage and rainfall. And the third one is the massage spray. The off button, very smooth, very efficient. The filtering handle, very nice looking. I give it 5 stars.